Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little bit of a different video. I'm going to share with you guys my Easter decorations because I decorated and I wanted to share with you guys what I got at the stores. I will kind of, if I remember where I got them, I'll point out what stores I got it from, but basically just TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, or Ross, one of those. And so I'm going to take you around. It's a little bit of a mess. My house is not like, you know, perfect. So it's a little bit messy. It's not like your normal, I feel like, home tour. So I'm just gonna share what my decorations and what it looks like, and that's it. So please don't judge me. Let's get started. So yeah, there's like the TV's on. I was watching YouTube. I get a lot of my news from YouTube. I know, crazy. So I have my big, like, I don't know what to call this, but my entertainment center, I guess you can say, and where I keep, like, you know, just my decorations. I really don't have anything else other than decor. And right here you see my child's toys. So that area is just for him to grab on so that he's not like reaching out for anything else. I usually keep that for him. And I just have this here because I didn't know where to put it. I just bought it. So I can literally have it there. I got it for $8. So I just need to figure out what season. I think I'm on it for fall, but anyway, so let's move on. So in this corner, it's a little dark because none of my lights are on right now, but usually my candle will be on, and then I have these two little sweet, this is a bunny, I don't know what this is, a little piggy or something. I got these both, I think, from Home Goods. I can't remember if they were like $15 or something, but they were really, really cute. And then up here, I have this really cool egg. Obviously, I didn't get a lot of decorations this year because I was a little bit late on the game, but I have, you know, I have something, but I feel like it's missing, like something is missing here, but I'll figure out as I go shopping next year. But I have this little duck and this little chick. I thought they were so cute because they dressed up for Easter. Like super adorable. Now if you go all the way to the top, I have my nieces and my son's basket because I'm working on them. I just have them up there kind of for decorations, but also because I just don't want my son grabbing them. So they're up there ready for to be delivered for Easter. And then I have this little pom-pom thing. I got this one from Ross, I think it was. I can't remember, but I got it, I think it was from Ross, but it's really cute. I just didn't know where to put it, so I put it on the top. And then I have this really cute Happy Easter sign. I was so happy I found that. That's one of the like first things that I got. I was like, I just really, really wanted a big sign, but I couldn't find anything bigger than this, but it's still super cute. I think I got it from Home Goods. And then I found one of my gingerbread house, which I'm so excited. I don't know if I'm gonna return it because I haven't put batteries on, but I feel like something is wrong. Like it doesn't turn on very well. Anyways, but that's another story. So yeah, so I just have my gingerbread house that I got. That's the only one that I was able to find this year because again, I was late to the game. Over here, I have more bunnies. They're so cute. I have Mr. Bunny and Mrs. Bunny, and then I have this tree. Randomly, again, yeah, I just put it all in here. I don't know. I'm not great at decorating, but I'm getting there. Yeah, so these both were from Home Goods, I'm pretty sure, and they're both like 15, I believe. Yeah, they were really cute. So yeah, I'm looking for more bunnies, but maybe for next year. And then at the bottom, I just have some eggs. I really love these like crystal like eggs. So, and I just put them up on these little, I don't know, pedestals. Where are these? And then I have one of the candles that it's not a real candle, it's a fake candle. It turns on. Let me turn it on. Looks like a real candle. It's so cute. If I can find them, I'll link them down below. I think I got these from QVC. So yeah, I think they're like, I can't remember the brand, but yeah. So it's I have these like fake candles, and I have the other one on the other side. And then when you walk in, this is the first thing that you see. It used to be behind me, but I decided to move it over here because I just have this blank space. But yeah, I usually have keys or just random things in here. That's literally what it is. It's a random spot for stuff. And then I have this carrot this is actually from Target. There you go, the dollar spot or whatever. I got that one there. And then I got Mr. Bunny and Mrs. Bunny again. Super cute. I think the price is still down here. Yeah, they were $12.99. I absolutely adore them. And I got these pedestals from this candle holder thing from Ross. They were so cute. I think they're $8.99. I absolutely love them. And I have Mr. Bunny with this one, and this one's actually broken. I have not fixed it. I somehow was able to like put it back, and it's held in place. But my son, for whatever reason, see, decided to grab it and broke it. So Hopefully it doesn't fall. But yeah, I'm pretty sure he was just like, you know, curious because it's so cute. He wanted to touch it. So he broke it. Yeah. I guess it was from Ross, so it's not like the greatest quality, but they're kind of like wood, but they're really like flimsy wood. But still, they're really cute and I like them. Over here, I have this little bunny over here. And I wish I had this all the time. It's literally just here because I like how it looks on this table. But I have these bunnies. These were also from Target. I think these were like $3 or something. I don't have a price. Oh, and also this one's also broken because my son broke it. It's right here. It's a, I need to finish fixing that, but I have it there as a reminder. So I have these bunnies. These were like $3, I think. And then these carrots were from Ross. I got that. And then this tray is Ray Dunn, and it's actually the Thanksgiving. It's like a Thanksgiving tray. I think it says like, I can't remember what it says, and I don't want to move stuff. But yeah, it's like a Thanksgiving thing, but it kind of matched, so I thought it was cute. So I'll have that there. And then in my couch, I like the way it looks. It's messy, okay? It's okay. I have, this one is from Ross. This was like $10. Such a good deal. Such a pretty pillow. This is Target, and then that's Target, and then the blankets are from, I don't know, TJ Maxx or Ross, not Ross, sorry, TJ Maxx or, what's the other one? Marshalls or Home Goods, one of those. And then in my table, this is it, guys. This is my little table. Yeah, I have this little egg thing. It's dirty. I need to wash it already. And I have these pedestals. Again, I don't know. I have this one out because I just bought it, but I need to find something to display. I don't know yet. And then yes, it's a Halloween candle. I absolutely love these candles. They're called Red Leaf Home. Oh my god, guys, my whole house smells absolutely amazing. Highly recommended. This has been burning forever. I don't even know. I just have it here and there, but still, like, since Halloween I've had this candle and it's still going strong. Highly recommend this. This I bought at Home Goods, so yeah. And then on my coffee area, I have some mugs. So I have this little thing I got at Amazon, which I want to change. I don't really like it, but again, at the time I liked it. So I just have these mugs that I picked up from, you know, TJ Maxx or Home Goods. This one is the only one that I got last year. I actually got it for my work because I decorated my workstation. And then I brought it home because, you know, the holiday was over. So, and I just refound it. I was like, oh my god, I forgot I had that mug. So yeah, so I have these one, Bunny Kisses, Cute as a Bunny, Carrot Patch, Peep Peep. I'm missing the spring one. I think this one that says like spring something. I couldn't find it, but eventually another year. And then over here I just have these little canisters. This is supposed to hold coffee, but I have not refilled it, and at this point I'm probably not gonna do it, but it's supposed to hold coffee and then like sugar. They're super cute. I got these from Home Goods. I mean, my home is a Home Goods. Everything still has a price. It's so bad. I need to take the tags off. But I have these little eggs. I thought they were really cute. And then up here I just have the Contel Cutie. I really love this one. And then I have the Bunny Buns, which is so cute. It's literally like a fluffy bunny. I died. I was like, I need to have this mug. And yeah, I still have it displayed. I'm just afraid that I'm gonna break it. So when I bought it, I just placed it up here and I haven't really done anything with it. So I need to take these off and actually display it properly. And then over here in my kitchen area, I just have these two canisters. I have this one that says Happy Easter. I have this from Joanna Parker. I think it had like I have the other one. It's like a little egg and a little milk carton. And then just this one that says Peeps. This one's on sale, guys. Like, I got it for $16 or something, so I picked it up because it was just so cheap. But yeah, this one literally still has a tag. How embarrassing. And then over here I just have these other little displays. Happy Easter. I love these ones. They're so cute. Like, they're just a pink color. And then look at this. This is a salt and pepper. They have nothing. They don't have salt and pepper, but they're so cute. So I just have them up here because they're from Joanna Parker. I'm pretty sure I picked them up. And I have this display. This is the one that came with the other little duck thing. Yeah, this is probably like a sugar container or something. And then I have these really cute chicks. I just didn't know where to put them, and again, because I was late to decorating, I didn't get as much decorations as I wanted, or you know, so I just have a few random things, and I wanted to decorate this little tray, so I just placed those ones there. Next year, you know, I'll just look for more stuff, but not in a rush. So that's it. That is my home. Well, a little bit of my, not home, apartment, I guess. I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know, please. Let me know if you want to have me do like every season, because I decorate every time. I'm not sure what I'm going to decorate for summer, because there isn't really a holiday other than 4th of July. And I don't know if they have enough like cute stuff to decorate 4th of July, you know, like I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know I go all out for Halloween and Christmas, and I already have some Valentine's Day stuff that I've been getting. So yeah, Easter, this is the first time for me decorating Easter, and I'm so excited. It's so cute. I really love the decorations. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys for my next one. Bye.